Building a high-end gaming rig used to be all about the raw numbers. But lately, the aesthetic has become just as important as the frame rates. We are seeing a massive wave of builders who want that pristine, all-white look that feels more like a piece of modern art than a computer. The biggest headache in those builds is usually the power supply. You find the perfect case and the perfect motherboard, then you are forced to shove a big, clunky black box into the bottom. That is why this Snow White 850-watt unit from Thermaltake is grabbing so much attention right now. It is designed specifically to solve that visual clash while packing some serious modern tech under the hood. The first thing that hits you is just how clean the design is. Every single part of it is finished in that bright white coating. They even went the extra mile with the cables. You get flat white modular cables instead of those stiff black ones that are impossible to hide. Since it is fully modular, you only plug in the specific wires your components need. This is a total game changer for airflow and cable management. You do not have a bird nest of unused wires stuffed in the bottom of your case. But looks are only the beginning of the story here. The real reason to care about this specific unit is the latest power standards it supports. We are talking about the new versions of power delivery that were built to handle the massive energy demands of the newest graphics cards. These modern video cards are notorious for brief, intense power spikes that can shut down older power supplies. This unit is built to soak those up without breaking a sweat. It includes the newest dedicated connectors for high-end video cards. This means you can ditch those ugly, multi-headed adapters that usually come with your hardware. You get a single, clean cable that provides all the power your card needs safely. It is rated at gold level efficiency, which is the sweet spot for most gamers. It means about 90% of the power coming out of your wall is actually going to your components instead of being wasted as heat. This keeps your system cooler and helps the internal components last longer. Speaking of cool, the fan inside is massive and surprisingly quiet. Unless you are running a heavy benchmark or a high-end game at max settings. The fan spins so slowly you probably will not even know it is on. It is perfect for people who want a silent workstation or a distraction-free gaming environment. Now, it is not perfect for every single person. If you are someone who wants to push the absolute limits of overclocking on a top-tier card, you might find that 850 watts is just barely enough. You might want to step up to a 1,000-watt unit just for that extra peace of mind. Some enthusiasts also argue that other premium brands offer slightly better internal components for the price. You are definitely paying a bit of a premium for that white finish. However, for the vast majority of people building a high-end gaming PC today, this is a stellar choice. It brings together the newest safety protections, the latest power standards, and a look that is hard to find elsewhere. It is a reliable, efficient, and beautiful foundation for any modern build. It handles the transition to the new power requirements perfectly. You are getting a future-proof piece of hardware that looks as good as it performs. Just make sure your case has enough room for it, though it is quite compact for what it offers. Building a PC is about the balance of power and beauty. This unit definitely hits that sweet spot for the modern gamer.